Story of a Little Angel. Once upon a time there was a child ready to be born. One day the child asked God, "They tell me you are going to send me to earth tomorrow, but how am I going to live there being so small and helpless?" God replied, "Among the many angels I have chosen one for you. She will be waiting for you and will take care of you," said child, "but tell me, here in heaven I don't do anything else but sing and smile. That's what I need to be happy." God replied, "Your angel will sing for you every day. And you will feel your angel's love and be happy." "And," said the child, "how am I going to be able to understand when people talk to me, if I don't know the language that men talk?" "That's easy," God said. "Your angel will tell you the most beautiful and sweet words you will ever hear, and with much patience and care, your angel will teach you how to speak." The child looked up at God saying, "And what am I going to do when I want to talk to you?" God smiled at the child saying, "Your angel will teach you how to pray." The child said, "I've heard on earth there are bad men. Who will protect me?" God replied, "Your angel will defend you, even if it means risking life." The child looked sad, saying, "But I will always be sad because I will not see you anymore." God replied, "Your angel will always talk to you about me and will teach you the way to come back to me, even though I will always be next to you." At that moment there was much peace in heaven, but voices from earth could already be heard. The child, in a hurry, asked softly, "Oh God, if I am about to leave now, please tell me my angel's name." God replied, "Your angel's name is of no importance. You will simply call her Mother." Thanks for watching.